If you're a Dead by Daylight fan on Xbox, you know the pain right now. Stuck in endless queues, missing out on rewards, and no answers in sight? Let's break down what's really going on. Right now, Dead by Daylight is basically unplayable for Xbox players. People are getting kicked out by anti-cheat errors, crossplay is broken, and matchmaking just refuses to work. The worst part, the anniversary event, one of the best times to play, is ruined for tons of fans. 16 hours down and still no fix. Fans are not just complaining, they want real solutions. Behavior Interactive needs to give a public apology, drop an emergency hotfix, and seriously, extend the event. Xbox players deserve free blood points, maybe even a cool exclusive skin. This isn't the first time DBD dropped the ball, last time players got compensation. So, will they do it again? Or leave Xbox gamers hanging? Dead by Daylight's community is done waiting. Smash like if you've been hit by these issues, subscribe for the latest DBD drama, and drop a comment. Should Xbox players get something extra? Let's make some noise.